We're just regular kids, but we investigate the paranormal.
Because with disabilities become super abilities.
Regular kids become epic heroes.
Ghosts, monsters, curses, or charms.
Together, we'll face anything.
Real or ridiculous.
With a great hump like an emerald hill, it's Moby Pine!
She sprays!
The beast is hit!
He's been locked away from us for too long. We wait no more.
Where do I need to go, Captain?
It's not down on any map, Spark. True places never are.
We need the Ari siblings. We need fighters.
He may not be as intelligent as David Thorne or as honest as Andy Ross, and he'll never be as funny as Jenna Marbles, but it's Maximilian Forge. He's my brother.
And we will find him, no matter who tries to stop us.
Love. Come home.
Oh my. Yellow brick toad, we've been walking for months, for minutes, and I haven't found a single Starbucks. I want out of here and I want home to my Kraken. Not next week, not tomorrow, now! I'm ready to